Hey everybody, it's Mr. Allen here. I'm going to demonstrate today how I made the 3D design holiday gift project. I brought a bunch of shapes out already before I started my video so you could take a look and we can move through this pretty quickly. I'm going to definitely show you my different angles, how I made it, and you can see from the top, bottom, and all the different sides. Let's take a look here at the branches in the trunk. First of all, I just used a square box shape to build these and then change the color. What I'm going to do next is duplicate these, make a copy of them, move them on up, duplicate again, and maybe one more time here. And pretty nice job on there. You can make sure those are all lined up with each other by choosing all those shapes. There's 5 of them here. The align tool, and what I really want is the trunk to stay in the center and get these lined up perfectly on the trunk, the branches. All right, next I'm going to take this box and just kind of resize it here to cover all the branches, and then I'm going to use the angle rotator. Whoops, not that one. Let's see, this angle rotator. To sort of get the Christmas tree angles, branch angles here. Turn it into a hole. Group them together. And you can see how that starts to take shape. Next thing I want to demonstrate is the text, how I put the name on there, Allen. So you want to line this up onto between the branches and then obviously resize. It's always better to use those black tools, the black handles instead of the white ones, so you can just resize one direction at a time. And type your text in right there. A-L-L-E-N-S, and just squish it down there so they're all resting on the branches and not overhanging. We definitely don't want our 3D design printing in a bunch of pieces. I'm going to zoom in there really nice and close and see how I've done if it's touching the branches and they're all connected, and you can see there, even though I thought it wasn't. I'm going to push it in there so it kind of merges together with the branches, and just a little bit smaller on the sides here. Okay. The last part I'm going to demonstrate really quickly is how I made the star with the hole in it. Again, when you're putting an angle, if you're outside the wheel there, you can get a little bit more precise measurements on your angle, one at a time, 1 degree at a time. I'll move the cylinder inside. I'm going to resize that cylinder in every direction so it's not an oval. By holding shift down while I do this, you can make it plenty tall just so it cuts away in there, because that is going to become a hole and it will disappear eventually. It looks like it might be centered, but just to be sure, I'm going to group the 2 of these together. The cylinder, or I'm going to choose them both, the cylinder and the star. Align. I want that star to stay right there, so I'm going to click on it. Align vertically, align horizontally, and that looks just about right in there. Okay. Take the cylinder, turn it into a hole, choose the star also by holding down shift. Got 2 shapes selected. I'm going to group them together, and kaboom, we got the hole right in the middle there. And you can see how my Christmas tree ornament is starting to take shape. Thanks for watching, everybody. Good luck on your project.